Well, they started filling the reservoir. So we thought we'd come down here, and my shorts editor is doing a bit of shorts editing right now. I'm doing long form video. This is what it looks like doing long form video. Let's go back to here because that was getting creepy. So they got the spillway open here. I assume the spillway is open at Williston as well because Dinosaur is full. And I was up at Lynx Creek earlier today, and the river is already at its over its high water mark, so it's filling up fast. Soon, in 4 months, this will be a lake. And that is the bridge I was working on all day. Oh, that's video. Hi.
Hi.
It brightens up your face, even though it's dark. In my eyes, I can't see your face very well, but through the camera, yeah, you're radiant.
Aww.
Yeah, it's weird. These clouds don't look anything like they do.
Things are showing up as lighter.
Yeah, they all show up as lighter than they are. Well, I don't think we'll be linseeding today. That's crazy. At least it's not big hail. Well, I got a day off, so I am trying to get some more stuff cleaned up here in the yard. Let me spin this thing. Oh yeah, I can't. So I'm just working my way back here. Right now I'm doing some rads and a bunch of copper. It's just garbage. That, I don't know what to do with that pipe. It's like pipe insulation. But, like, what do you do with that kind of stuff? I can't imagine you can sell it. Like, who? It's like an industrial thing, I think. But, anyways, yeah, I'm just slowly, surely getting my, there's my number 2s in. And then I'm bringing out all my, oh yeah, there's aluminum. Bringing out all my little bins of wire and get rid of all that. I gotta make, hopefully next week I can make a run to the scrapyard. Or, well, hopefully I'm working all week, but if I can, I'm gonna get into the scrapyard. This is stainless steel, never been used, came from the hotel, so I think I'll just keep it as never been used. I don't know if you can sell that kind of stuff, but oh man, this is never ending. Yeah, so anyways, I don't know what, like, there's I've been working, so I haven't been getting too much done around here, but I gotta just keep on plugging away at it. I'm hoping to have the roof on that shed by next weekend, or on that, like, the tarp building out there. So I got a guy who's gonna come, and he's a roofer guy, so he can give me a hand getting that thing together. I pick up the tap cons today, and then tomorrow I think the wood, get some strapping ordered, so hopefully that'll be in tomorrow. And I've got Sunday, then I got to go away for work on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday to Fort Nelson, so won't be getting anything done there. But I may get, I heard that there's like a bunch of P-tax up at the outside of the hotel in Fort Nelson, so I might be able to grab those if there's room in the truck on the way back. I don't know, we'll see. Well, I can't say for sure, but there may be a fire here. That's crazy. And stinky. So we're just about to the Northwest Territories border here. And it's like, this is like it was a couple of wildfires that I've been in that are, you know, they're close. Like, this is thick. Anyhow, I guess I'm not gonna get much of the scenery out here. Okay, you can see we got a little I don't know, there's hot spots here and there, but anyways, I got to this little clear spot. Don't know why it's a clear spot, but oh, there's some birds. Yeah, just crazy. Should be fun working in this all day. Now we found a nice clear spot. Highway 77 goes off the Alaska Highway up to Fort Liard. And I've been down it a few times. I haven't been to as far as we're going though. Pretty close, but not quite. And so we'll be going to the BC Northwest Territories border and working there for a little bit. I think just for today. But yeah, I was up here maybe I think it was 2010 working, but it was winter time, so it's dark most of the day and night. So I think it probably around 10:30 in the morning it gets light, and then you know, by 3 or so in the afternoon it's getting dark again. So, this is a much nicer time to be up here, I think. We just passed the road, I think. It's a Horn River Basin road, but we were in the Deer, I thought it was a Deer River Basin. But anyways, I think this is as far as I've been down here. We'll see here soon. Happy to see that the smoke isn't down here. Hopefully it's not where I have to work today. That would be great. We're working down at this bridge here. September. And look. Wild strawberries. That's the nice thing about the north, is it takes a long time for everything to get ripe. I've been eating them, but I know I can't eat too many. But yeah, that's pretty cool. It's like September 10th. And ripe strawberries. Some of them aren't even ripe yet. Just here eating my chili. And a bison strolling through the ditch having a bite to eat. I'm glad they don't like chili. Oh, he's getting closer. Just moseying. I hope he's friendly. They can do a lot of damage. Oh, don't even know if the truck could save me. He's taking notice of me here now. So let's see, make sure he just keeps walking by. I don't know why he's breathing so heavy. You just stay down deep in the ditch there, bud. Look at the size of him. Man, that's big. I hope he just keeps walking. You might want to make your way to my truck, Melva. I guess I should. Don't hit your brakes, bud. Go slow. Go slow. Oh, and I got traffic coming. Well, I better shut this down. Hope he doesn't fall. It's very slippery. What he's doing. Keep going, bud. Keep going. Oh, there he is. well, they own this place. Look at that. He's like 5 kilometers down the road now. Just, I guess he likes me. Now he's back on this side of the road. See ya, bud.
Yeah, watch that one, Chris. The last one on the right hand side. He looks like he's gonna run.
I hope he does.
Probably the bigger one. Take the truck in.
Oh, look at that cute little baby. Oh, mom. Coming back into the zone. Muskeg burn.
Right there. Probably about 5 minutes. Yeah, I see that.
Oh, just on my way home. I've been going through bugs for days. When I get fuel, I'm gonna have to get that cleaned off. That's crazy. Anyways, yeah, I'll get a good sleep last night, and just heading down the Alaska Highway here. I don't even know where we are. Between Prophet River and Bucking Horse. I can just, I don't know if you can hear that, but like I can just hear the bugs ticking off the windshield. It's great. I can't breathe very fast. I don't know if you can see these. Just trying to walk across the gravel pit. I don't know, they're probably all, it feels like they're all in my beard and in my hair. I don't exactly know what they are. Just a tiny, tiny little big-winged fly. This is the end of my trip. Well, this is from our one lookout. Once a river that was an island. And down there was a bunch of islands. Soon they will just be fish habitat. I was wondering there when I was coming down, like, so that river has expanded like so much, and I I was thinking like the fish that were in the river, would it be kind of like a dog getting out of the yard and just having the whole town to roam in? Because like this would be I don't know, to me I would think that if I was a fish I'd be like, wow, look at all this new food and places to hang out. Like look at all the debris up there. It's just, I guess it's just slowly making its way to Fort St. John. But yeah, anyhow, that's what we got here now. It's quite a different landscape. But, you know, what do you do? That's how she goes. These are some of the things I miss about this job. Or missed. I guess I don't miss them anymore. Yeah, stop for coffee down here at the Dunlevy boat launch. Or Butler Ridge boat launch, I guess it's called. We used to always call it Dunlevy. But yeah, it's just there's no cell service. You can come down here and have your coffee or lunch and just wander around aimlessly, looking at everything. It's pretty nice. Fall colors. Not fall colors like back east, but still, it's an all right place to have a snack. The boat launch is over here. This is just the parking area. See, everybody's out hunting. So that is the boat launch over there. And this is, I guess, the inlet. Go down there, around that corner is the Dunlevy Creek, the mouth of it. And there's a canyon there that I don't think I've ever done a video, but we've gone in there snowshoeing and just do a little bit of fishing. Ice fishing, obviously. But yeah, this is one of the perks of the job. Cruiser Mac might recognize this place. He came up here elk hunting there once. So I'll have a look around, see if it looks the same, Cruiser. So this is the Dunlevy Inlet, and this is Dunlevy Creek. So if you go out that canyon, that's where I was showing you before, the mouth of the Dunlevy. And then that is where all the hunters are because it's elk season. So there's like a really nice little camp, a bunch of campsites down there. Goes right along the creek, and it's full, so I'm not gonna go down there. But yeah, I'm gonna stop and have my lunch here. Just kind of take it in. This is where I was saying that we snowshoed. So we parked like down there by the bridge, and then we just snowshoed all the way up around the corner into the canyon. It's a pretty steep walled canyon. Jerry and I have gone canoeing through there too. It's just beautiful. Maybe I'll see if we can get the canoe up here before the end of the season and get a little video in there. But yeah, this is what I'm dealing with today. It's not too bad. I also got this from work. Pretty nice. Well, not that, but yeah, I was doing yard cleanup and I thought they were gonna have to haul this to town. I said, oh no you don't. Oh, here's another thing I've been doing lately that really needed to get done. Obviously it's playing with the ball. Where's your ball? Put it in my hand. Uh-oh. Every once in a while I do that. She plays by herself. Anyways, Jerry helped me move this frame, get it flipped over, move it over here, and now I am getting the strapping on for the roof. So after I get done work, this is what I've been up to.